You know when you just feel like, when you try to get a girl number for a minute, you link her every day and say, just give me digits a bit. And she don't link it none at all. And then she just eventually say, alright, take it. And when you get home, you just feel like, that's how I feel right now, fam. That is how I feel right now. Well, everybody, welcome back to the channel, fam. Make sure to drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there for brand new. Referee, blow whistle, fam. Let's go. Manchester United won at Selhurst Park. So, Crystal Palace 1, Manchester United 2. And listen to me, I am relieved as fuck. It's going to be a great week, fam. It's going to be a great week. Wonderful, wonderful week of watching the football content on YouTube. Just a great week overall because Manchester United won. And we haven't won in a while. But we needed this win. After that last week, we needed this friggin' win. And that Joshua Zirkzee goal came out of nowhere from nothing. The angle was fucking impossible to say the least. Love it. Absolutely love it. But that goal from Mason Mount, I thought Bruno Fernandes was going to bring it over as Rose. So when Bruno Fernandes threw it forward and then Mason Mount just... Listen to me. It's going to be a beautiful, beautiful week. Make sure to drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there, Chef Brandon, because honestly to God, I was worried in the first half. I was damn near tears, bro. I was damn near tears. Because, to be honest with you, and I'm going to be straight, Manchester United was shit. Manchester United was shit for the entire first half. They had 61% possession of football, but all they had it in the final and defensive third. Nobody no playing in midfield because them clog up the midfield and when they go wide, 3 man running upon them. Don't more talk about Diego Dalot because he has been shit the entire game. When the ball go to Ahmad, 3 man running upon him. You can't run with it. And they try to go wide, 3 man running upon him. They just congest the midfield and the lines. We couldn't do anything. Play over the top, Zirkzee can't nothing with the ball over the top. He's good with his ball at his feet. So why could he do nothing? But it was rough, fam. It was rough all fucking game, bro. It was rough. It was absolutely terrible, bro. But to be completely honest with you, second half, I wanted them to get rid of Mason Mount. I'm gonna tell you right now. I wanted them to get rid of Mason Mount completely. Just get rid of him. Fine. Bring on Mino. Bring Bruno further forward. That's what I said. Because Mason Mount wasn't doing shit. I said take off Mbemo. Bring on Lacey. Do something, brother. Let me see you do something. Let me see you try running cover risk. But no. He stuck to his guns, bro. The only changes I saw, I didn't see anticipate, was them take off Lenny Euro. Lenny Euro had a bad game. Gave away a penalty. Wasn't getting his passes right. It was all messed up with Lenny Euro. And you can see the calmness that Mazuari brought into the team when he came on. I think Selhurst Park had a lot to do with Lenny Euro's game today. That's just me. That's just me. I think Selhurst Park had a lot to do with it. But hey. But bro, Fambo. What a damn game that was, bro. What a damn game that was. That was lovely. That was absolutely elating. You know why? Second half we came out. And you have to say that Manchester United hasn't been playing well in the second half this season. But partly because Crystal Palace has been playing in Europe. So you can tell even in the first half, or the last part of the first half, they were dead tired, bro. They were fucking dead tired. They got them surrounded by wheel. Not fumes, not gas, wheel. So you could tell that they were tired in the first half. Manchester United up the ante in the second half, and that's good. We can see that there, right? We had a lot of push in the first half, but they're still pushing in the second half. That's what Mason Mount bring you on the team. Again, Mason Mount, good fucking shot that from Amrin, because if it was me, I'd get rid of him long time. I would get rid of him long time. Zirkzee would have come off, he would have come off, but Zirkzee score a blood clot goal, brother. Xerxes score a yo, fam. I don't know what to tell you, bro. What a game. What a goal. Listen, Amorim, your coach a win today. Thank you very much. We're back up to 6. Couple teams behind us. They might score a win and then go for it. I don't know. I don't care. That's what we want to be, fam. In the mix. That's all we care about. In the fucking mix, bro. In the fucking mix. Bless up, people. Bless up others. It's going to be a great week. Good, so good. Manaz,